sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, May 13th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather just not changing much for a while. Very warm days, and from time to time, we'll have isolated showers and storms around, but widespread rain, probably not. Here we go. This is the upper air look. That pesky little upper low that's been off the South Atlantic coast continues to drift westward. And as that approaches, heat levels should be down a little bit today across at least the eastern half of the state, but the main wave action way up north. That was the radar composite early this morning about 5 o'clock. No rain across Alabama. And again, maybe a few little spotty showers later today. Starting off the day mostly in the 60s. Birmingham warmer at 71. That's that UHI, urban heat island effect. Highs today low and mid 80s in most spots. We note there's a dense fog advisory for parts of west and southwest Alabama that will dissipate by mid-morning. And around the nation, a fairly quiet start to the day. Got a chance of strong to severe storms, mainly from near Oklahoma City up to about Green Bay, Wisconsin, later today and this evening. Tomorrow, just a low-end marginal risk from the Great Plains up into the Great Lakes. And then day 3, which is Sunday, the core risk of severe storms from eastern Oklahoma to Ohio. And we do note that North Alabama is in a low-end marginal risk on Sunday. And this is for isolated storms that might produce gusty winds, but there's no risk of any tornado activity. Again, the tornado season is pretty much done based on this pattern. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Just not a lot here. And rain amounts for most spots under 1/4 inch between now and Friday morning of next week. But there might be a location or two with a heavier downpour that could see more than that, but some spots could see nothing at all. We're getting into the season of these random, widely scattered showers and storms. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. Got the upper low drifting inland over the South Atlantic coast. Strong shortwave near the Canadian border. And for us, partly to mostly sunny, low to mid 80s. Showers should be few and far between. This is tomorrow as the weekend begins. Highs mid-80s, partially sunny. Here's the high-res NAM at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, suggesting maybe a few scattered showers or storms over the western side of the state. 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, maybe a few scattered storms on the eastern side. So some folks might see a brief shower tomorrow, but again, much of the day dry. And really the same thing on Sunday. Partly sunny, highs in the 80s. A few isolated showers and storms. Monday looks pretty quiet. Highs in the upper 80s. And again, with that ridge strengthening, really much of next week ought to be dry. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And again, on these days, the chance of rain is not 0, but many places dry. And this is a week from today, Friday, May 20th. Big trough in the west, ridge here in the southeast. And once again, that looks quiet and probably hot with low 90s likely. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, May 22nd. Pretty much the same idea. Ridge in the east, trough in the west. And again, that looks pretty quiet. And again, the GFS showing a broad low down in the western Caribbean. We've seen the GFS trying to print some tropical mischief late May. But again, you totally discount that. That's fairly common for that model in the medium range in the warm season. Here's a look at the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. Evidence that just maybe we'll have better rain opportunities toward the end of May. This is suggesting rain totals could exceed 2 inches. That's the mean between now and the end of May. Here comes the heat. NBM, National Blended Model, suggesting maybe some mid-90s in here toward the end of next week. And the latest 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for May 20th through May 26th. Below average in the northwest and above average down here in the southeast. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time. but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.